Sending large PDF files can be frustrating, but with AI-powered compression tools, you can reduce the file size in just a few seconds without complicated software. To get started, open any browser and search for I love PDF. Open the website and you'll see the Select PDF file option right on the screen. Tap on it and upload the PDF file you want to compress. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll get 3 compression options: extreme compression, recommended compression, and less compression. For the best balance between file size and quality, select the recommended compression option. Then click on the Compress PDF button and let the tool process your file. After the compression is complete, simply click on Download Compressed PDF to save the smaller PDF file to your device. Now you can easily share, upload, or store your PDF without worrying about large file sizes.